on to question 16. So it starts with, if employees find themselves falling behind in the workplace, these critics contend, then it is the duty of those employees to identify and even pay for appropriate resources to show them how and why they're falling behind and what they should do. Okay, so we're just focusing on number 16 for this video. Now, the first thing you should notice about this question is that there are two identical answer choices, right? And what I mean by that is we have both a semicolon and a period as an answer choice, and these are the same thing. So if they're the same answer, then they both have to be wrong because you can't have two right answer choices. So I'm eliminating A and B right away because A had a period and B, the only difference was a semicolon. So now I'm down to C and D. I need to understand, should I put a comma or should I not? Okay, well, if I look in a little more closely at this sentence, I see that there's a comma right here. Okay, now I also need to understand what types of phrases are making up this sentence. So the first phrase, if employees find themselves falling behind in the workplace. Okay, well, employees find, it's a subject-verb pair. This is a dependent clause because of the word if, okay, dependent clause. These critics contend, okay, that's its own phrase as well. We have critics contend, so that's another clause. Then it is the duty of those employees to identify and even pay. The sentence keeps going. Then it is subject verb. Okay, so that is another clause, right? So I have three different clauses here, and I also already have one comma. So what I need to do is I need to add a comma after contend to make that a parenthetical phrase. These critics contend. We could take that out and the sentence would still make sense. We could read, if employees find themselves falling behind in the workplace, then it is the duty of those employees to identify and even pay, etc., etc. So I'm going to choose D so that I offset this clause with two commas, making it a parenthetical phrase.